Welcome to Matters Financial and Geopolitical from a Frontier, and thank you for stopping by. Let's move on to the currency markets. Euro dollar 113.30, dollar index 96.73, Japanese yen 111.89. The interesting thing about the yen is it's been softening and really has kind of softened up the other G7 currencies versus the dollar. Swiss franc just playing around the parity mark. Pound 131.59, the Aussie 0.7075, India rupee 70.7115, South Korean won 11.2566, Rial 377.53, Egyptian pound 17.52, and the South African rand 14.21. You know, you will recall the rand was a hero in January. I think it got as low as 13.25. You then had that orgy of selling at the beginning of Tito's budget speech, which took us to about 14.40, and we rallied below 14 as people liked what they heard from him, and now we're back at 14.21. Adam Mancini says that the dollar index is charging higher after last week's flag breakout, ignoring Trump's attempt to talk it down over the weekend. And he's saying the next levels are 96.77 and 97.20. We're at 96.73 right now. This is a one-year chart. I still think we're headed to 100. Euro dollar last 113.30. It's been very sticky, but when it breaks, it's going to break big to the downside, of course. Dollar yen, as I said, this has been leading. 111.92 last, and I kind of think we're going back to 114.50. Sterling, we were above 133 at one point not too long ago. We're currently at 131.63. It still remains very confusing as to what's going to happen. And though it seems the needle has moved directionally away from a hard Brexit. Tesla shares keep falling as Tesla's onslaught of announcements is raising red flags about demand for its cars. Gold, about which everyone had gotten very carried away as we were above 1,300, is back at 1288. And this is a one-year chart. The interesting point was, it should have gone nuclear the moment Indo-Pac was on the precipice, but it didn't, and that was a bearish price signal, I think. Crude oil, $56.60 or thereabouts. Trump did well to cap it, but we're still top of the range. Got to see it come down a little bit more. And we've got these waivers expiring, but that's only 1 million barrels. Precious metals relative price performance since January 2018. Look at palladium. That's from Chigel.